Hello aspirant, welcome to Parivartan India IAS Academy. In this session, we will discuss the current affairs of the Hindu newspaper and various newspaper, that is Telangana Today. And let's start. The important news of today's discussion is UN government should examine governor's actions, Kerala CM. UN government should examine governor's action, Kerala CM. Kerala CM said this is not that much of important issue because Kerala CM said the governor often forgot the position. There are clashes between the governor of Kerala and chief minister of Kerala. In that, Kerala chief minister said the governor often forgot the position that he occupies now and makes a comment upcoming of that position, unbecoming of that position. Okay, Kerala CM said the governor forgot their position and they behave like a unbecoming of that position. In that, we will discuss the governor chapter in Polity Lakshmikant. This is important chapter. In each year, one question will come. The governor. Eligibility criteria of governor must be a citizen of India. He must be a citizen of India and at least 35 years of age. He must not be member of either houses of the parliament and state legislature and must not hold any office of profit. There are 4 criteria for the eligibility of the governor. The first one is citizen of India and second one is age at least 35 years of the age, and third one is not a member of either houses of the parliament and state legislative assembly, and fourth one is he must not hold any office of profit. Okay, these 4 important. And we move the appointment and tenure of governor. Part 6 of the Indian Constitution deals with the governor appointment and tenure. In that, Article 153 of Indian Constitution deals appointment of the governor. Who appointed by the governor? Appointed by president. This important point. One person can be appointed as a governor for more than 2 states. As per the 7th Constitution Amendment Act 1956. As per the 7th Constitution Amendment Act, a person can be appointed as a governor more than 2 states. Okay. Hold office at the pleasure of the president, because governor should be appointed by the president and he hold the office at the pleasure of the president. Maximum 5 years he has tenure, he or she. And let's see the powers of the governor. Part 6 of the Indian Constitution deals with the power of the governor. In that, Article 161 deals with the pardoning power of the governor and Article 164 deals with the power to appoint the chief minister and other minister. Governor have power to appoint chief minister and other minister under Article 164 and Article 176. Governor has a power special addressed by governor. Article 200 deals with governor has power to withhold assent, reserve a bill, legislative assembly. Under Article 213, powers to promulgate an ordinance. Okay, these all articles are important, you should remember. Article 161, Article 164, Article 176, Article 200 and Article 213. These all important articles you should remember. We move to the another, that is dual capacity of the governor. That governor act as a constitutional head of the state. Governor act as a constitutional head of the state and representative of union government. He act dual capacity, he or she act dual capacity, that is constitutional head of the state and representative of union government. Constitutional head and representative of union government. And we see that is ending tenure before 5 years. Governor can dismissal by the president, advice of the council of ministers headed by the prime minister. Okay, dismissal of governor without a valid reason is permitted. And another condition is on the grounds of act upheld by the courts as unconstitutional and malified. If he upheld by courts as unconstitutional, he recognized as unconstitutional practices and malified practices, then he is removed. Resignation by the governor. Okay. Responsibilities: governor can appoint the chief minister and other minister and also advocate general of state. President can appoint advocate general of India and governor can appoint advocate general of state and member of public service commission. President Union Public Service Commission and state governor state public service commission and judges of the high court and district act as a ex chancellor of university, act as a ex officio chancellor of the state university. Governor can act as a ex officio chairman chancellor of state university. Okay, we move in that governor part only. We will see that President under Article 52 to 78 in Part 5 of the Indian Constitution deals with President, and Part 6 and Article 153 to 167 deals with the Governor. In that we will see the similarities between the Governor and President. Okay, and after that we will see differences between the Governor and President powers. First, similarities. In that head, both nominal executive heads. Okay, president and governors both are nominal head executive heads, and both promulgating ordinance. In that both are empowered under article 123 deals with the president promulgate ordinance, and article 213 deals with the governor promulgate ordinance. This article is important, you should remember. And civil and criminal proceedings, both are immune from any criminal proceedings during tenure, cannot be arrested or imprisoned. This is the special privileges of both of this, and they can immune from any criminal proceeding during tenure. During tenure, they are immune from any criminal proceedings and can't be arrested or imprisoned, because president is the chief first citizen of India, and both are executive heads, both are governor also constitutional head of the India state, constitutional state, head of the state. Civil proceeding can be instituted after giving a 2 months notice. Okay, civil proceeding can be instituted after giving the 2 months notice. Reappointment and re-elections, both are eligible for reappointment and re-election, but in USA only 2 terms. Okay, but in India he can reappoint and re-elections. He can eligible, he or she can eligible. Appointing officers, president appoint at national level, governor appointed at state level, we know very well. And president can appoint national level officers like Union Public Service Commission, Attorney General of India, Election Commission, like that. In governor can appoint State Public Service Commission, High Court judges, etc. Role in legislature, power summon or promulgate the state and union legislature and dissolve the state legislature and Lok Sabha. Both have same power. In national level, state level, president can dissolve the Lok Sabha, and state level, governor can dissolve the state legislative assembly. Financial powers, constituted financial commission at state and union level. Both have financial commission, they constitute financial commission, both similarities. And situational discretionary power, appointed president can appoint prime minister and governor can appoint council of chief minister in case of PM CM death or when no party has clear majority. Okay, if in central level no party has clear majority, if prime minister death, when no party has majority, president have power to appoint the prime minister. And at a similar layer, governor can also appoint chief minister when no party has a clear majority. Okay. Dismissal of council of minister, dissolution of Lok Sabha, both have similar powers. We will see differences between the governor and president. Okay. Election in president, indirect elections, and governor appointed by president. We already discussed. Governor is appointed by the president, so governor act as a pleasure of the president. Pleasure doctrine, there is no concept of pleasure doctrine in president because he is indirectly elected, and here severe serves at the pleasure of the president. Governor act as a pleasure of the president. Declaring schedule area. Can declare any area as a schedule area. President can declare any area as a schedule area. Governor have limited power, and he is limited to consultation. He can consultate for declare the schedule area. Amending constitution. President have he assent to the bill is required, but no role in constitution amendment bill. Governor have no power and no role in constitutional amendment bill. Okay. Pardoning power, in that can pardon a death sentence punished by a court martial. Can't pardon, this important point, it's come in every exam, you should remember. Pardoning power, president have pardoning power, death sentence, pardon a death sentence punished by a court martial, and governor can't pardon. Okay, governor can't pardon a death sentence. No role in affairs of military. Governor have no roles in affairs of military. Constitutional discretionary power. There is no constitutional discretionary power to president, and constitutional discretion is reserving a bill. Governor can reserve a bill imposes of presidential rule. If presidential rule impose, governor can reserve governor can reserve a bill. Okay, amending and adjourning duties. Okay. Condition of impeachment, on the basis of violation of the constitution, president can impeach, and no ground laid to the governor in the impeachment, because governor is act as a pleasure of the president. This is important chapter. You can revise again and again. Question will come. We move to the another news of today's discussion, that is global coal demand like to decline 2.3% by 2026. Okay. Global coal demand likely to decline 2.3% by 2026 as per the International Energy Agency. As per International Energy Agency, despite production of coal reaching a record this year, global demand is declined. As per the International Energy Agency, they said that in this year global production is increased. Global production was increased by, but the demand of the coal is decreased, and they expected that, as per the AEA, they said by 2026 the demand of the coal will be declined. Okay, because there is reason why this happened, due to a shift towards renewable energy. We are moving towards renewable energy. We are conducting COP conference. We are always net zero. We have target net zero, and we have targets COPs, and we are always moving towards the renewable energy, sustainable energy to energy side. That is the reason coal growth is reaching, but the demand was declined. And as per this report is UA and European Union and US is expected to drop means decline in US and European Union in that drops the 20% each. But in India and China, what happened? It's rise. India 8% and China 5% in 2023, this year only. Due to the demand for electricity. Due to the demand for, why this happening? Why this rise in India and China? Because we have demanded for the electricity and we have not generated of hydroelectric power. We have not that much of capable to generate hydroelectric power. Due to this declining of coal demand, it is expected, AE expected that best rainfall between 2024 and 2026 will come. Okay, this is, we move to the next current affairs of today's discussion, that is LIC to play a role in achieving insurance for all by 2047. By 2047, LIC play a crucial role for insurance for all. Insurance for all. In that, only this is important. Bima Vistar. Bima Vistar. In Bima Vistar consists of three insurance. That is health insurance and life insurance, and last one is property insurance. Okay, that's it. We move to the another news, that is diamond boards add to Surat Gratuitous Modi. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji inaugurated diamond boards in Surat. This will be a major boost to the diamond industry. These initiatives can boost the diamond industry, and also custom clearance house, jewelry mall and facilities of international banking and safe vault will be significant part of this boards. Okay, this important, only this is, that is our Honorable Prime Minister is inaugurated this diamond boards, and it where it is held, means where is it situated, means it is Surat. Okay, we move to the another news, that is India's fastest solar electric boat Barracuda launched. Barracuda boat, India's fastest solar electric boat. This is important. In APPSC and TSPSC, this question will come in upcoming exam. You should remember. Barracuda port, India's fastest solar electric boat. Why this Barracuda name was kept, means named after the fish. In fish name is Barracuda. That's why this boat is Barracuda boat, and this boat is India's fastest solar electric boat. This is today's current affairs. We will end today's discussion. We will meet tomorrow for new current affairs. Thank you for watching these videos.